In C programming, programs can become very large and complex. Writing all code inside the main function makes the program difficult to understand and maintain. To solve this problem, C provides functions. Functions help us divide a big program into smaller, manageable parts. So, hello, today we are going to study about functions in C programming. So first we will see what is a function. Function is a block of code that performs a specific task. Once defined, a function can be called multiple times from different parts of the program. Like the example that are the predefined functions in C programming, that is printf and scanf. These are also the built-in functions. Then what is the need or the importance of functions in C? Functions are used because they reduce code repetitions, improve program readability, make debugging easier, allow code reuse, support modular programming. For example, instead of writing addition logic again and again, we write it once in a function. Okay, so I have told you what is a function. Then why we have used function? Because I have told you in the need and importance of the function. Okay. Then components of a function. Components of a function. There are three main components of a function. Okay. Types of functions are library functions and user-defined functions. Okay. Then components of a function. Function declaration that tells compiler about function name, return type, and parameters. Then function definition contains the actual code. Function call calls the function to execute. Then this is how the function is declared in syntax of function, return type, function name, and in brackets parameters. Function definitions contain actual code of a function. Function call used to execute a function. Then advantages types based on the arguments, no argument, no return, arguments, no return, no argument returns, argument returns. Advantages of a function, it is used for the code reusability, easier maintenance, better readability, faster debugging, supports teamwork. Then what are the function arguments? Here I have not told you that function, okay, function arguments. Now the types of functions can be of the library functions, that is also called as the built-in functions, which are in C, like printf, scanf, string length. These are the provided by the C libraries. Then user-defined functions created by programmer to perform specific tasks. Okay. Then the next is the function argument and return values. Function with no arguments no return. Function with arguments, no return. Function with arguments and return value. So, how the flow of function execution is done? Program starts from the main function call is made, control transfers to the function definition, function executes, control returns to calling function. This improves the program structure. So this I have discussed type based on the arguments, no argument, no return, arguments, no return, no argument return, and argument return. So I conclude here. To conclude, functions are the building blocks of the C programming. They help in breaking complex programs into simple, reusable modules, making programs efficient and easy to manage. Thank you.